So 2024 paper question 2 for Junior Cert Graphics. The elevation and plan of a whistle are shown below. In the space below, draw a freehand pictorial sketch of the whistle, colour or shade of the whistle. Okay. So for starting these pictorial sketches or 3D sketches, I always start with what they call the bird's foot. Okay. So a straight line down, roughly 30 degrees to the left, 30 degrees to the right, and we can work off of that then. So anything that goes to the left goes parallel with this one, anything to the right goes parallel with this, and our straight lines up goes. So we're just drawing in our whistle here then. Yeah. So again, you can colour or shade that one there yourselves as well. Huh? So part 2, the image shows a set of goals. Below the outline of the goals, draw the new goals similar to the given set with the length AB increased to AB1. So what we do for these questions, we join from the corners, so from A out through these two corners here, so up here, and from A out to this corner. From B1 then we go parallel to whatever we need to go parallel to. In other words, we need to go parallel from here straight up till we hit this line, and we go parallel to it here, and that gets joined back to A there. Straight up. Now we're going parallel to this top section. Here, and this gets joined back. So that's those goals there extended. Shown across is an elevation of a sports trophy. Trophy includes a regular polygon. Name the polygon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-sided shape, so that means it's a hexagon. Using the dimensions given, redraw the trophy on the center line and baseline below. Show a construction and points of contact. Okay. So they give us the baseline here, so we have to start with this baseline, right? It tells us there anyway that that's a radius 45, this first curve here, okay? So we're going to start off with that anyway, our radius 45. So from the center here, radius 45. Okay. I'm incorrect there, lads. It's radius 45 for the outside circle. So it's a radius 25 here, look. Gives us the height of this 25. This one outside here is a 45 for this curve here. Okay, so it's a 25 first of all. So that's our first circle, okay? I'm going to draw in these circles here because it might make it easier for us to see what's going on. So there's a circle there. There's a radius 45 there, and there's a radius 55 like in here. Okay, if we want to find this over here, so right, there's a radius 45 inside here. We're given the center point of it, same here, so we can go 45 from this one, but it's not a full one. So 45 on the compass. From here we can draw this in nice and lightly first of all, that portion of it, okay? Now, if we were to add from here, so if we were to draw a straight line from here to here, it's 45, and we will continue that line on, that will give us the distance from here into the center of this one. So it's going to be 45 plus 55 okay? So we're going to be setting 100 on our compass, and we can swing it from this center down here. Okay, so that's what we have so far. If we look at the drawing then, okay, we can find here where this radius 55 circle touches this center line. It's 60 and 25 from the base, okay? So from this one here, it's 60 millimeters, that point there. So that's there now. Alright? If we were to draw a straight line from here into the center of this circle, it's going to be 55. So I can get 55 on my compass this time. I can put the point of it down here. So we can arc. Where they crossed in is the radius 55 there I'm looking for. Draw this in here. Remember, join your centers in for your point of contact. That's our point of contact there. And I can darken in this radius 45 here now as well, because I know how bit of it is certain. Okay, so that's that part of it finished. Now we need to draw in our hexagon. So it's radius 30, so we're at this point, so we're going to have to step 30 millimeters up. And here we can get our radius 30 and draw it in. So we can draw our hexagon in that, yeah. So we're using our 30 degrees from our edges. So I'm just darkening here now these parts. And this point here comes straight down. And that's the bit we're left with here. That's our point of contact. Yeah. That's that question there on that page fully completed then as well.